In partnership with Blue Cross Blue Shield of Texas Ancillary, UT Benefits is pleased to offer voluntary disability coverage to UT system employees. Disability insurance replaces a portion of your income if you suffer a qualified health condition, prolonged illness, or non-work-related injury that prevents you from doing your job. Both short and long-term disability insurance benefits are available. This video introduces the topic, and you will find comprehensive details in our online materials. Enrollment. Benefits-eligible active UT system employees may apply for disability coverage. You may enroll during your initial period of eligibility or within 31 days of a qualified life event like marriage or the birth of a child. You won't need to complete a medical questionnaire called Evidence of Insurability. This can be significant as it means your medical history is not a factor in whether you are eligible to elect these benefits. You may also apply for disability coverage during annual enrollment. However, evidence of insurability is required, and the Blue Cross Blue Shield underwriting team reviews your medical history before any enrollment approval. Short-term disability. After a qualifying accident, injury, or condition occurs, you must satisfy a waiting period, called the elimination period, before short-term benefits begin. Your sick leave counts towards the elimination period, but must be exhausted before disability benefits take effect. The elimination period is 7 days, or until you use up all sick leave, whichever is later. The maximum benefits period for short-term disability is 22 weeks. For a disability caused by a pre-existing condition, the maximum benefits period is 4 weeks. Both the elimination period and sick leave benefits count towards your maximum benefits period. Your benefits are 60% of your pre-disability earnings, up to a maximum of $850 per week. Other income or monetary disability benefits, like from a state teacher retirement system or Social Security, may reduce financial benefits. However, a work incentive benefit is available for individuals classified as partially disabled who continue working a certain number of hours per week. The reduction in financial benefits and the work incentive benefits also apply to long-term disability. As an example, someone on short-term disability with no pre-existing conditions has a 7-day elimination period and a 22-week maximum benefits period. Suppose they have 14 days of sick leave. In that case, 7 days will count towards the elimination period. The 7 remaining days of sick leave benefits are exhausted before the individual has a payable benefit. Payments would start on day 15 and could continue up to 20 additional weeks. If the employee makes $52,000 per year, or $1,000 per week, they will receive $600 weekly while on short-term disability. A disability topic that raises many questions is pregnancy. Pregnancy is considered a pre-existing condition with a 4-week maximum benefits period if it occurs 3 months before or within 12 months of your coverage effective date. For those who become pregnant any other time, the standard time frame for benefits is 6 weeks for a vaginal delivery and 8 weeks for a cesarean section delivery. The elimination period and requirement to exhaust all sick leave before disability payments begin apply to any of these scenarios. Long-term disability. You must satisfy an elimination period of 90 days of continuous disability or the exhaustion of your sick leave before long-term disability payable benefits begin. The maximum period payable depends on your age at the time of disability. For those under 60, you are eligible for benefits up to 65 years of age, but not less than 5 years. If you are between ages 60 to 64, the length of your maximum benefit is 5 years. Between 65 to 69 years old, your benefits are to age 70, but not less than 1 year. Finally, for members 70 and above, you have a 1-year benefit. 2 specific disabilities, mental disorders and substance abuse, have a shorter maximum benefit period. Your long-term disability benefit is 60% of monthly earnings up to a maximum of $15,000 per month. Based on your specific circumstances, you may receive additional benefits like rehabilitation and dependent education payments. Claims and coordination. If you need to submit a disability claim, you can contact Blue Cross Blue Shield Ancillary. With your permission, they can coordinate care with Blue Cross Blue Shield health advocates. You'll connect with a health advocate nurse to help you initiate, streamline, and speed up the claims process. Additionally, for those with both disability coverages, Blue Cross Blue Shield Ancillary will seamlessly transition you from short-term to long-term disability benefits if needed. Resources. To contact Blue Cross Blue Shield Ancillary, call them at 866-628-2606. You can also visit their website at bcbstx.com/ancillary-UT. Should you need to contact your HR benefits office, find their information at utbenefits.link/HR contacts. And finally, you can visit UT Benefits online to find extensive details and printer-friendly documents at utbenefits.link/disability insurance.